But really you just living lies. Really you ain't criticized, you ain't really spitting fire. You ain't nothing but a little lie. Walking up the stairs is the only time you getting high. You slower than a sloth, your time is running out. Bitch, I'm a boss, girl begging me to fuck them out. And haters gon' hate, that's regardless anyways. I don't give a fuck, I tell it to your face, bitch. That I always knew growing up, I never love a bitch and I never give a fuck. I'm still gonna be the king even with no queen. I'm still gonna be the boss that you wish you could be. And see, you can never fill up my shoes, bitch. Try to follow me and get stuck in my footprints. Who you think you fucking with? Say you getting money and pussy, but really, you ain't getting nothing, bitch. Yeah. Come on. You know my flow gets atrocious when I drink these magic potions. Say hocus pocus and it all comes into focus like a swarm of locusts, strong enough to break boulders. Too heavy I can't hold it on my shoulders. Been around like roaches, kill them seeds like potions. Mac got rhymes like the army got soldiers. Flatten you like steamrollers. And my team like bowlers. Got them real green holders. Fuck around, you meet them real beam holders, bitch.